Is your girlfriend or wife too scared to shoot a big 12 gauge shotgun like this? Well, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, today for the shotgun shells we're going to be reloading. We're going to be reloading the 12 gauge low powered shotgun shells. So the data for them is going to be, they're going to be 1/8 ounce loads. It's going to be WAA 12 wads, and then we're going to be using 23 grains of long shot powder. And yes, I poured the powder into 12 gauge shells because I ain't got nothing else to pour them in. This ain't my usual load I do on this press. And we're going to be using Winchester primers. These are just Winchester AA's cases. So we'll start here on the process of reloading them. Go deprime. We come over here, grab a primer, put the primer in. Oh. I'm going to do that a couple times. And yes, I've already deprimed these too, so. Or we'll just be reloading 3 just as a proof of concept. Oh, I didn't deprime that one. Huh. So I got all 3 of my shells primed and ready to go. So we're going to come over here to the next stage. We're going to go powder. We're going to go wad. I'm just doing full pressure on these wads. Just a good little bump. And that's putting out 1/8 ounce load. We're going to go crimp. That crimp is a little messed up. Hopefully it turns out. Yeah, not the prettiest crimp in the world, but it'll work. See, that ain't the prettiest. But we'll do another. This one's going to be better. Alright, so start off with our powder. And it don't matter how the crap you pour your powder into your shot shells. You can pour it in right there, you can pour it in out here. Really don't matter. All is the same concept. So we got our wad in, back up. Got our shot. Oh, this one's gonna look good. We're good. Gonna go 1, 2. I just do 2 for good luck. See? Like factory. Alright. So, once again, don't matter how the crap you pour your powder in. Let's see. Gotta get more wads here. Full force. Got our shot. Boom. Boom. So there's our 3 shot shells. I know that one's not pretty. They all shoot the same. So that's our simple load data on the 12 gauge low powered shotgun shells. Now let's go see how low powered they actually are. We're doing the field test of these shells to see if they actually recoil any less. We've got the perfect candidate here, small woman, 5'3", 110 pounds, very small, holding a big 12 gauge shotgun. Alright, so she's got a regular green gun club in there, full power. We're gonna let her shoot that and see how hard that kicks. You ready? Alright, rack her up. Alright, so now we're going to give her her low powered shells let her shoot them. We got our low-powered shells loaded up. We're gonna let her be the judge, see if they're less recoil. On your go. So is that any better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, round 2, let's see if she can blast some stuff. Aim down on the ground at him. Alright, so we got the rest of the shells loaded up. Let's see if she can't blast some stuff away.
Oh man.